Hi Team RIDGID, I'm Addie with the RIDGID product development team, and I'm very excited to announce today our brand new max output battery lineup. Our design and engineering teams have been laser focused on reducing the size of these batteries while also enhancing the needed power and runtime to get you through your workday. Our max output batteries are our longest running, most powerful batteries. With up to 2 times the power and 6 times the runtime, these batteries will power through the most demanding applications on the job site. Not only have we provided more power and longer runtime, but these batteries are also up to 23% more compact than the previous generation. This lineup will range from our 2 amp hour max output batteries, which are ideal for impact drivers and drills, all the way up to our 8 amp hour max output batteries for high demand tools such as recip saws, circ saws, and grinders. The enhanced power on these batteries will power through any heavy duty application. All batteries will feature an onboard fuel gauge and are 100% compatible with all RIDGID 18-volt tools and chargers. For all of our existing RIDGID users, this is a great way to upgrade your tool and take it to the next level. We have heard your feedback, and we are extremely proud to announce that all of our new max output batteries will be covered by our lifetime service agreement in both kits and accessory purchases. This means free batteries for life with the registration of your new battery. You can experience our 2 amp hour and 4 amp hour max output batteries in stores this March, with our 6 amp hour and 8 amp hour batteries launching later this year.
New max output batteries provide plenty of power. They interface the tools a lot better than some of the previous batteries that we've used. And they stand up to the heavy demand situations using your circular saw or using your reciprocating saw.
New RIDGID max output batteries, from a power standpoint, I can use them on heavy applications such as my reciprocating saw. I can put them in there and I can cut through 2x4s, 2x8s. I can cut through nails, 16 penny nails, and it doesn't drain the battery, quickly. Like in some cases in the past where I've had batteries and I'll do a heavy application, it'll just drain that battery right now. With the max output battery, it really holds up. The battery holds up longer and stronger.